Hello friends, I am from Hacking Skill Groups. What we are going to do in today's session, I will tell you some basic commands for command prompt. So first of all, what I will tell you, ipconfig. Basically ipconfig is used for know about all IP configuration which used in our computer. You can see all the network adapters which are related to your computer from your control panel. Now you can see there is mostly two type of adapters is used. First is for Ethernet port adapter, and second is for Wi-Fi wireless LAN adapter. So now I am connected to my Wi-Fi LAN adapter. So you are going to know about all IP. So what we are going to do? We are going to open the CMD. You can open this from run command also. You can open this directly through searching CMD. This is command prompt. You directly click on this. So that's it. This is our command prompt. So now you can see here, if we are going to see all the basic commands, so what we will use, help will show all the basic commands for command prompt, and it will gives also the description also. So now what we will use, ipconfig ipconfig basically gives all the IP address. So this is our wireless LAN adapter. So wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, now I am connected to my wireless LAN adapter, so it will give me a private IP for wireless LAN adapter. So this is my private IP. So that is the function of ipconfig. Now what I will tell you, the ping command. Basically ping command is used to check the connectivity between computers or any other systems. It can be a server as well as a normal computer also. So ping command, as you know, there is two IP. First is private IP and the second is public IP. Public IP for outside network and private IP is for local network. So let's think. If I want to know that 192.168.1.1 is on my local network, and is it online or not, means that is it connected to me or not. So 192.168.1.1, so yes, this is connected to me, directly connected to me, because it will pinging. So that means this is connected. So now I want to know that am I on internet or not, मीन्स मेरा इंटरनेट वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं. सो फॉर दिस पर्पस व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल पिंग द फेसबुक वेबसाइट. एज यू नो फेसबुक इज़ ऑलवेज ऑनलाइन, फेसबुक हमेशा इंटरनेट पर रहती है. सो इफ़ आई कैन पिंग द फेसबुक वेबसाइट, दैट मीन्स आई एम ऑन इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट वी विल डू, पिंग facebook.com. So that is pinging, and that is the public IP address of facebook.com. So now if you want to know that I am using internet or not from your own computer, so what you have to do, you just have to open the command prompt and you have to know my public IP address, because you are accessing my public IP address. You cannot access my private IP address because you are not on my local network. So you can access my public IP address. So what you have to do, just ping my public IP address. What is my public IP address? 120.59.24.11. So you have to ping at that target of this IP address. So if it is pinging, that means I am on internet. So it means like you want that you want to know, is your friend on internet, is he using internet. So what you have to do, you just have to ping at his public IP address. If it is pinging, that means he is using, and if it is not, that means he is not using. So this is also a trick to know